Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to give you an update on our 2K 5X challenge. Our main goal here at Altcoin Mentors is to help as many people as possible achieve their goal of financial freedom, and we believe trading cryptocurrencies is an opportunity of a lifetime. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of my trading style in this challenge, and also where Bitcoin is going in the near-term future. If you like our videos, please follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. We also have a model portfolio, so you can view our positions and progress. The link is down below. If you'd like to be notified of our latest videos, please hit the bell button. All right, so here's the chart for Bitcoin in the last few days since our last update. Let's talk about how I've been doing. So currently, after 1 month, I am up 43%, while Bitcoin is down 14%. So the purpose of this challenge was really to see who could get to 5x faster. Myself, a veteran trader, or Bitcoin. So for people who have been holding positions on Bitcoin for a long time, after the recent break up to close to 10,000, and even before that, people talked about Bitcoin going to 50,000, 100,000, right? So it'll be about 5x. So that's the challenge, right? Challenge is not about me speed, about how fast it'll take me, because I'm not using any leverage here. I'm just doing 1-for-1, short, long, and doing swing trades and short-term trades. But recently, mostly all short-term trades. So over the last week, let's look at the trades I've made. I made 5 trades, 2 to the upside, 3 to the downside, 1 winner up to the upside, 3 winners in a row to the downside, 1 loser up to the top. So let's talk about why I made the trades. So first, the short-term trade. Short-term trend was up, medium trend was neutral, and the long-term trend was neutral positive. So this trade to the upside looked pretty good. I got it a little bit early. It cleared the 50 and the 200. I took the signal, went to the upside. This green area here was my profit zone. So if you follow us on Twitter, if you don't, you should, because I wrote this before. I'll look at it over here. So this is the chart I gave out a few days ago. If you look at the date, this is the 21st. So this is I talk about the profit zone. So I entered into a trade, and this is where the profit zone, was coming in. So people ask me, what is this profit zone? And this profit zone is really, this dotted line here is the 200 daily EMA. So as it was getting closer, right, this is our first warning zone that it might bounce down. So if it passes this level up to the top, it could break and go higher, but had a hard time, at this level. So as I'm going up, I'm trying to be a little bit careful. So I did take profits up there, but unfortunately, I made another trade to the upside because it bounced off the 50 EMA on a shorter time frame, and I thought, maybe it'll go back, up there, take a small profit to the top. But didn't happen, and ended up taking a loss. So then I waited for my next setup, which was for it to break below the 200 EMA. Down below, and I took 3 consecutive winners to the downside. And so I'll talk about my trading style, because one of the things I do is I try to look at my trades over and over again, just to see how I'm doing on a psychological level. So I tweeted this out the other day about how over the last month, when I look at my stats on BTC, I realized that I was holding on to my winners a little bit too long. The problem is that right now there is no range. So because there is no range, I had to do a better job of riding the shorter ranges, the shorter waves. So this is what I'm talking about here. So this chart tells it all, because basically for about 3 weeks, we were in this range, in this green box range. And then now we're currently in this purple range. So right here at the bottom, once again. So right now we're at the 78.70. So this is right at the bottom of this range. So if it doesn't break here, right, we're still pretty good. So 7,700, right, just for 7,700 here down is the major support level. So it hasn't even hit there yet. So until it does, right, we're still a little bit positive on the upside. So the idea for trading is that, we want to just always go with the trend. So the trend, and everyone has a different definition of where the trend is. So if you're a long time holder of Bitcoin and you have a 5-year, 10-year plan, you can still hold. right? Because, in my opinion, it still has a very good chance of getting up to the highs again. In the medium term, though, it's a little bit negative, and in the short term, it's a little bit negative as well. So if it breaks 7,700 here, if we break this down on a daily level, right, the daily charts don't look good. So if you break it down on the daily level here, if it breaks 7,700, then the next level is 6,600 and then 5,800 to the bottom. So if it breaks here, most of the thing I'm doing now is just trading short, 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 and short. So if it continues to do this, it had the death cross over here, it went above it, and then it went below it again. So if it continues to go here and break below the 7,700 area and go below here, then Bitcoin could be in real trouble. So this is going to be a short video because there haven't been a lot of activity. Unfortunately, it's been in a very much of a range. So whether you're long or short, you have to be able to take profits rather quickly. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, please share it with your friends and other crypto traders. You can also follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. If you have any questions, please ask away in the comment section below. We do a good job of answering all of our comments and questions right away. If you have specific questions about my setup, you can also ask, because I know I can tend to speed things up, because this is right before my markets, my futures markets on indexes and currencies really start to ramp up. So if you want me to slow the videos down and explain my entries and exits a little bit better, right, please let me know. Thank you again for watching, and see you in our next video.